Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. I hope you all are doing good today. In our previous lesson, we have learned about magnets and types of magnet. Today, we will be learning about magnetic poles. Dear learners, a magnet has two poles, a north pole and a south pole. Suppose if we try to push the two same poles toward each other, they will repel. That means the same poles repel each other. Whereas if we try to push the North Pole towards the South Pole, they will attract each other, which means opposite poles attract each other. Poles of a magnet are located near the ends of the magnet. Therefore, the attracting power of a magnet is maximum at the ends and minimum in the middle. The magnetic force in the magnet flows from the North Pole to the South Pole, and it creates a magnetic field around a magnet. The magnetic field around a magnet is invisible, and if we place any material in this field, it will be attracted towards the magnet. But remember, this field is invisible to us. However, there is one way to visualize it. How? Well, tie up the magnet with a piece of paper with the help of a cello tape. Now, keep it on a table and turn it upside down so the magnet is on the lower face of the paper. The magnet is in between the paper and the surface of the table. Mark the positions of the two poles of the magnet on the upper face. This place is above the North Pole and this one is above the South Pole. Finally, sprinkle some iron filings on the upper face slowly so as to cover the entire area surrounding the magnet. What will we notice? We will find that most of the iron filings cling near the ends of the magnet, while there are very few iron filings in the middle. Dear learners, why are more iron filings attached at the ends of the magnet? Well, it is because the two ends of the magnet have the greatest force of attraction, so they attract more iron filings. So learners, I hope you have enjoyed learning about the magnetic poles. Jazakallahu khair and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.